and welcome to this tech tip on how to integrate third-party apps within Microsoft Teams. By integrating external applications into Microsoft Teams, you can boost your team's productivity and streamline your workflow. Let's get started. Step 1. Adding a sidebar for yourself. First, click on the ellipses menu located in the left sidebar. View your current apps here, then choose Get More Apps in the bottom right. Next, browse through the list of available third-party apps and select the app that you want to add. Finally, click the Add button to integrate the chosen app. Once the app appears on your sidebar, click on it and sign into your account. Now you can access and use the app right from within Teams. By following these steps, you can easily integrate the apps your team uses regularly into the Microsoft Teams environment. Thank you for joining us for this tech tip. Stay connected and start making the most out of Microsoft Teams.